Okay, this video is about converting decimal to fraction to percent, okay? We have a decimal. We need to use place value. You have it on your blue paper, on the homework folder, okay? You have it over here. We only have one digit after the decimal point, like in this case, number 7. You only have one digit on the decimal place. This is the tens. 2 digits, it's hundreds. 3 digits is thousands, okay? So you have a decimal, it's only 1. This is on the tens place. So this will be 6 out of 10. On the tens place. But then you need to simplify. To simplify is to find a number to divide both the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to use graph paper, okay, so you can see it. 6 tenths. And remember, we have different tips. The first one says, when the number on the top and the number on the bottom are even, you can easily start by dividing by 2, okay? So we can divide number 6 by 2, which is 3, and number 10 divided by 2 is going to be 5. The numerator is a prime number, and the denominator is a prime number as well, so you cannot go any further, okay? Your simplest fraction is 3/5. And you're done. The next step is to find the percentage. And remember, when you need to turn a decimal into a percent, you need to multiply the decimal times 100. But we have a shortcut. Any number, when you multiply a number times 100, is like you're just moving the decimal point 2 places to the right, okay? And if it doesn't have a decimal point, you just need to add 2 zeros to the right. When you don't have enough numbers to move the decimal, you need to add 0. And then you write the percent sign, okay? So your answer here will be 60%. Okay, next one, number 45, is 2 digits. So it's 45 hundredths, 45 hundredths, 45 hundredths. Because number 4 is on the tens place, 5 is on the hundredths place. So you rewrite it as a fraction using the denominator 100. But again, you cannot leave it like that. If you leave it like that, you're on any test, a standardized test, your fractions are not going to be like this. Your fractions are going to be on the simplest form, okay? So you need to learn how to simplify, okay? Another tip, it's our tip number 2. If the numerator and the denominator ends on 5 or 0, they can be divided by 5. So 45 divided by 5 is 9. 100 divided by 5 is 20, okay? And we cannot divide anymore. We can divide number 9 by 3, but number 20 cannot be evenly divided by 3, okay? We can divide number 20 by 5, by 4, different numbers, but not number 9, okay? So to analyze this situation, we can write the factors. You can say, well, the factors of 9 is 1 and 9, or 3 times 3. And for 20, it's 1 and 20, 2 and 10, and then 4 and 5. Okay? None of the numbers they have in common. So you're done. Okay? So it's 9 over 20. And then again, the percent, decimal 2 places to the right. And then the second one, the second example is fractions to decimal to percent. Again, you have 2 choices. You can either divide top in, bottom out, or you can turn it into a denominator 10, 100, or 1,000. This is easy to multiply times 2. It's going to be 10. Times 2 is 6. Okay, so it's 6/10. And then decimal to percent, again, 2 places to the right, 1, 2, which is 60%. Okay? When you have a whole number like this, just write the whole number, decimal, and then turn the fraction into a decimal. Okay? And like this one, you're going to write 375 out of 1,000, and then you simplify. Okay? Thank you for watching the video. And remember to subscribe.